Yes, Jai Gurudev and good morning to all of you children. Now, today we are going to start our class with the exercise 1.1. But before starting that exercise, I am going to tell you some numbers. See that chapter number 1, greatest and greatest numbers and smallest numbers. Greatest one digit number, as you already know, that is 9. Smallest two-digit number, that is 10. Now greatest two-digit number, what it can be? 99. And smallest three-digit number, nothing will be there. Number of the zeros will be increased in front of 1 means 100. Then greatest three-digit number, 999. And smallest four-digit number, 1000. Greatest four-digit number, that is 9999. And smallest five-digit number, that is 10000. You will make this table in your copy and you will write at least till 8. Here in this column you will write till 8, and in the same way in this column also, because these numbers will help us to do the exercise. Because while we are solving the exercise, many of you, they don't know that which one the greatest number and which are the smallest number. Now we are going through that. Okay, note down this. Then we are going to our exercise till question number, I am just looking up to which exercise, which question we did on that day, and then we are starting from the next of that question. Till question number 4 from exercise 1.1 we have done previously. Now we are going to start today on from question number 5th. See that, make the greatest and smallest three-digit numbers using any three digits which with conditions as given below. You have given condition. Just see that exercise 1.1 question number 5th. See what condition we have given. See there, digit 3 in ones place means 100 we have given, unit, tens or 100. In this way we have given question. And this time what, make the smallest, make the greatest and the smallest three-digit number. Okay, greatest and smallest three-digit number. With condition what we have, digit 3 should be in the unit place, and three-digit number using distinct digits condition as given below. Digit 3 in the ones place. Digit 3 should be digit 3 in ones place. Just better try to understand first question, then we will move on the condition. Greatest and smallest 3-digit number we have to make using distinct digits. Means we will take 3 different digits, and out of those 3 digits, 1 digit should be 3 in both the condition, in greatest number or in smallest number. Or what is the another condition? That 3 should be in ones place. Now I am going to select 3 different digits for the greatest number. 3 different digits for greatest number. For greatest number, suppose I have taken greatest number first. According to greatest number, 9 will be greatest. Then next greatest can be 8, or in unit place which we have to select 3. Now write that 3, 8, 9. This will be your greatest number, 983. Maybe you have understood. Now we have to make the smallest. For smallest, again we have to select the different digits. For the smallest number, what we can, 1 or 0, and 3 digit we have to make, and unit it should be 3. It can be 103. See there, right there, 103. You can see that in this condition we will get 983 as the greatest number, and unit place will have 3. And for smallest number we will get 103, and unit place will have 3. Okay. In the same way, you have to given this time digit 4 in the unit place, digit 4 in the tens place. According to second condition, digit 4 should be in tens place, and we have to make the greatest and smallest number. See that, means greatest number, 9 will remain as, then 8 will go here, and in tens place which number we have to select, we have to, because we don't have any other option, it will be 948. This will be greatest. This will be greatest. Now make the smallest number. For smallest number, what it will come? Write that. See that in tens place we have only, means condition is given that 4 will be there. Okay. Now in 100 place which number will come? 1. Or in tens unit place what will come? 0. In this way you can see that greatest number with tens place 4 is must to take. So greatest number will be 948 and smallest number will be 140. Okay. In this way you have to given 3 more part. You will do those 3 part in your homework as I have done. See, pause the video, see the video more and more time, and then you will understand the topic that what you have to do. Now we are going to the next question.